Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'll walk you through how to sign up for the Temu app so you can start exploring amazing deals right away. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the Temu app on your smartphone, and if you haven't downloaded it yet, check out my video on how to install the Temu app. And once your app is opened, you will see an option to sign up or create account, which is located on the U option. Here you can see the option of sign in or /register. Tap on it to begin the registration process. Temu gives you several ways to sign up. You can use your email address, you can sign up with your phone number, or you can just try a third-party service like Google or Facebook for a quicker setup. For this tutorial, I will be clicking on the option saying register, and after that, we click on the option saying continue with email. Enter your email address on the text box and click on continue. You will be required to enter a strong password, which must be strong as well as easy to remember. And once you have created a password and email, click on the option saying register. If you have signed up with your email or phone number, Temu will send you a verification code. Check your inbox or messages and type the code into the app. And that's it. You are now signed up and ready to start exploring the Temu app for great deals and products. Signing up for Temu is super simple and quick. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy shopping!